Cycas micronesica. Cycas micronesica is a type of cycad found in the island of Yap in Micronesia, the Marianas Islands of Guam and Rota, and the Republic of Palau. It is commonly known as Federico nut or Fadang in Chamorro. The species, previously lumped with Cycas rumphii or Cycas circinalis, was described in 1994 by Ken Hill. Paleoecological studies have determined that C. micronesica has been present on the island of Guam for about 9,000 years. It is linked with the human degenerative disease Lytico-Bodig disease, which is similar to amyotrophic lateral sclerosis ALS through a neurotoxin BMAA in the seeds due to symbiosis with cyanobacteria, which were a traditional food source on Guam until the 1960s. Description: a medium-sized tree, most commonly 2 to 5 meters tall, but can reach heights up to 15 meters. The tree has a straight palm-like trunk ringed with frond scars. Leaves are 140–180 cm long, flat in section, opposing pinnae inserted at 180 degrees on rachis, with 130–150 pinnae, terminated by a spine C. Form long, petiole usually glabrous, usually unarmed, rarely spinescent for up to 20% of length 35–45 cm long, median pinnae at 70–80 degrees to rachis, 240–280 mm long, 16–17 mm wide, 0.35–0.45 mm. Reproductive organs. Cycads, being gymnosperms, are dioecious organisms. Females possess clusters of ovules situated on modified leaves called megasporophylls. Male reproductive structures also consist of modified leaves called microsporophylls, but each modified leaf have small, compact pollen sacs attached to their lower surface. There has been documentation of the symbiotic relationship the Guamanian C. micronesica with Anatrachintes sp., which depends on male cones microsporangia for oviposition and recruitment in return for pollinating the species. The microsporangiate cones are pale fawn to pale orange-brown, narrowly ovoid 30–50 cm long, 8–10 cm in diameter. Microsporophyll lamina are 35–45 mm long, 20–25 mm wide, fertile zone 25–35 mm long, sterile apex 7–10 mm long, not recurved, apical spine somewhat reduced, broad, sharply upturned, 2 mm long. Megasporophylls 27–33 cm long, gray and orange tomentose, with tuminous 6 ovules, lamina 45–55 mm wide, broadly ovate to elliptical, regularly dentate, with 16–20 lateral spines, apical spine 8–15 mm long, lateral spines 2–6 mm long. Seeds flatten to ovoid, green becoming orange, not pruinose, 50–60 mm long, 45–50 mm in diameter, sarcodes to 3–6 mm thick. Conservation